The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern Dupage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern
70-mile-an-hour
Illinois
winds, I think.
until 7:45 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Crest Hill, or over Lockport, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Lamont, Burridge, Lisle, Darien, Crest Hill, Willowbrook, Fairmont, and Crystal Lawns. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa's Weather Radio.